Hi everyone, I'm back with another Slovene lesson today. Since we were doing a very grammar heavy kind of video the last time, we were conjugating the verb to have. For today, I thought we would do something easier and cover the food vocabulary. Knowing how to call different types of food is one of the first things you'll need in Slovenia, whether you'll go grocery shopping or want to order something in a restaurant. And a couple of my friends who are foreign and live here in Slovenia have requested this as well, so I might as well get to it. If I'm looking down a lot, I do apologize because I have my laptop here with me with all the words written down. I'll probably forget quite a few, but we'll be covering as much as possible in this video. So food in Slovene is actually hrana, and we're actually be starting with vegetables, which in Slovene we call zelenjava. Right, so we have lettuce, which is solata. Solata is also a word we use for like a salad. They're kind of interchangeable, but if we want to be super specific, we would call lettuce zelena solata, which means green lettuce, if that makes sense. The next word is bell pepper, which is paprika. Carrot is korenje, or we also say korenček. Broccoli is broccoli. Cauliflower is cvetača. Cucumber is kumara. An onion is cebula. And garlic is česen. Then we have mushrooms, which are gobe. Peas is grah. Potato is krompir, and sweet potato is sladki krompir. Sladki means sweet, actually, so it's a literal translation. A pumpkin is buča. Beetroot is pesa. Asparagus is špargelj. Artichoke is artičoka. Brussels sprouts is ohrot. Cabbage is zelje. Celery is zelena. Eggplant is jajčevec. Spinach is špinača. Beans are fižol, and tomato is paradižnik. And yes, I did list tomato under vegetable because that's how I always imagine it to be. I know in English it's technically fruit, maybe in Slovene as well, but I've always considered it a vegetable, and so does everyone around me, I feel like. Moving on to fruit. Fruit in Slovene is sadje. We have an apple, which would be jabolko. A banana would be banana. An avocado, my favorite, is avocado. An apricot is marelica. Strawberry is jagoda. A raspberry is malina. A blackberry is... Wait, what is a blackberry? A blackberry is robida. Then we have a Billy who wants to go on the bed. Can you see him? Where are we? Oh, I think we had a cherry, which is češnja. A melon is melona. A fig is figa. Grapes are grozdje. A kiwi is kiwi. Lemon is limona. Lime is limeta, and orange is pomaranča. Then we also have mango, which is mango. Peach is bresko. Pineapple is ananas. A plum is sliva, and watermelon is lubenica. Okay, what do we want to do next? Oh, let's do nuts. Nuts in Slovene are oreščki. We have almonds, which are mandli. An almond is mandel. Peanuts are arašidi. Cashew nuts are indijski oreščki. Indijski oreščki actually means Indian nuts. So that's how we call them. Pistachios are pistacie, or pistacia if it's just one. Chestnuts is kostan. A walnut is orech, or plural is orehi, and a hazelnut is lešnik, or in plural lešniki. Let's move on to meat. Meat is meso. We have poultry, which is perutnina. More specifically, chicken is piščanec. Chicken breasts are piščančja prsa. Chicken drumsticks are piščančja bedra, and chicken wings are piščančje perutničke. I feel like piščanec might be a tricky word for some people to pronounce, but turkey is puran, ham is šunka, prosciutto is pršut, Pork is svinina. Sausages are klobase, or in singular, a sausage is klobasa. Beef is govedina. Lamb is jagnetina. Duck is raca. Bacon is slanina. Ribs are rebra. And eggs are jajca, or an egg is jajce. Already losing my voice. I knew this was gonna happen, especially because this is the second video I'm filming. But let's move on to dairy. Dairy in Slovene, we say are mlečni izdelki, which means products made out of milk, essentially. We have cheese, which is sir. Butter is maslo. Milk is mleko. Cottage cheese is skuta. Cream cheese, we say topljeni sir, I guess, or sirni namaz, which would be like a cheese spread. Sour cream is kisla smetana. Cream in general, like cooking cream, would be sladka smetana, or if it's like specifically cream for cooking, we would say smetana za kuhanje. Kuhati means cooking. And whipping cream, again, we would say smetana za stepanje, which is a cream for whipping. We also have yogurt, which is yogurt, very easy, and ice cream is sladoled. Let's also cover seafood, which is morska hrana. Fish is riba. Salmon in particular, which is my fave, is losos. Crab would be rak. Lobster is jastok. Mussels are, wait, what are mussels called? Mussels, anyway, like clams, I guess, in general are called školjke. And mussels, a mussel is klapavica. I always forget about that because I hate mussels. On the other spectrum, we have octopus, which you know I'm obsessed with if you follow me on Instagram. Octopus is chobotnica. Shrimps are rakci. Oysters are ostrige. Tuna is tuna. Sardines are sardine. And squid is ligan. I also have like condiments slash sauces slash dressings written down. A sauce in Slovene is omaka. Ketchup is ketchup. Mayonnaise is mayonesa. Mustard is zenf, we call it. At least in my house. But in like proper Slovene, mustard would be gorčica. Vinegar is kis, and oil is olje. If you're in Slovenia, you gotta try pumpkin oil, which is bučno olje. It's like our, you know, traditional oil, I guess. We love it here. So then we have herbs and spices, which are začimbe. Pepper is popper. Salt is so. Basil is bazilika. Parsley is peteršilj. Rosemary is rožmarin. Thyme is timian. Sage is žajbelj. Coriander is koriander. By the way, I hate coriander. Let me know in a comment if you hate it too or if you love it. I feel like you either love it or you hate it with a passion. I definitely hate it with a passion. Anyway, cinnamon is cimet. Chives is drobnjak. Cumin is kumina. Chili is chili. Paprika is paprika. And nutmeg is another tricky thing to say in Slovene. It's called muškatni orešček. Then I have a category I wasn't quite sure how to call, so I just called it carbs. But it does include some grains, which in Slovene are žitarice. Bread in Slovene is kruh. And then bread rolls would be either štručke, or like štručka singular, or žemlja in singular, in plural žemlje. And bread is made out of flour, which in Slovene we say moka. Corn is koruza, for example. Cereal are kosmiči. Oats are ovseni kosmiči, because oat is oves. Then wheat is pšenica. Rice is riž. Pasta is testenine. What else do we have? Maybe chickpeas. Chickpeas is chicherica. And then we have the bad type of carbs. Cake is torta. Sugar is sladkor. Brown sugar is rjavi sladkor. Icing sugar would be sladkor v prahu. Baking powder is pecilni prašek. Yeast is kvas. Pastry would be pecivo. Honey is med. Jam is marmelada. Toast is just toast. Pizza is pizza. And then we have biscuits, which are biscotti. Chocolate is cioccolata. Crisps or chips in American are chips in Slovene. Sweets in general would be sladkarije. And then I also have a little drinks category. Drinks in Slovene is called pijača. We have coffee, which is kava. Tea is chai. Then iced tea would be ledeni chai, which is a literal translation. Beer is pivo. Wine is vino. And juice is sok. And I assume you already know how to call water, which is voda. And that, I think, is it for today. I did try to include as many basic, I guess, words as possible. If there's any important ones I missed out, just let me know below and I'll let you know how to call it, or I guess I can just film another video with even more words in case I forgot a whole lot. But yeah, thank you for watching. Happy learning. If you want to get a transcript of this video with all the words written down in English and their translations in Slovene, you know what to do by now. You can check out the link below and support me on Patreon, and you'll get access not just to this transcript but also to all the previous ones. So yeah, I guess that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next Learn Slovene with Sandra video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.